Welcome to LC Cafe and Restaurant. I believe you have a reservation.
Yes, I have reservation.
This way, please. Is this table okay, you, ma'am?
Yes, this is okay.
Please have a seat. May I unfold your napkin?
Yes, you may.
How about some refreshing drinks to start with? Would you like an iced tea or pineapple juice?
No, thanks.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some water.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some freshly baked bread. Would you like some more?
No, thanks.
I would like to present to our menu for your selection. I will take your order whenever you're ready. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order,
I would like to order one steak medium rare for dinner.
for dinner.
Yes.
This is your order steak.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill. Thank you, ma'am. I received 1,000. Back for your change and receipt. Thank you for dining with us, and I hope to see you again next time.